Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Winner. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, you are so missed, and I missed me too, so happy new year. So this semester, I'm my first year of art school and I am taking 5 courses currently. I realized that it's gonna be a buttload of work, but I'm looking forward to it. So I'll be putting about whatever concepts I have for my projects, my drawing, daily vlogs and all that, because I do want to, dedicate my time to this because my subscriber count has grown in the last week or two and I'm like, oh, people want to see this, sort of. Courses I'm taking this semester are Design Fundamentals, English, Painting, Drawing, and Art History, Prehistorical Art. Do I know anything about any of these? No. Right now we're at the 2nd week of school, and let me tell you, it's already a lot of work. Thank you all for tuning in. We're just gonna go into the vlog now. It's Saturday and I'm doing my narrative drawings and color theory and shapes for my design fundamental class. So there's about 3 assignments we're gonna try and do today. So let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Hello. Okay, so this is my first drawing assignment. I wanted to incorporate clouds, activities that I loved, which is dancing and weirdly crying. It's so satisfying to cry. Happy cries, happy tears, those are great. So this one, I wanted to put a lot of color in it. I also wanted to accentuate my Afrocentric features. I have some really great feedback for this assignment because now that it's passed, I know what I did wrong. Clouds, love it. I wanted to have fluffy clouds, and that's exactly what I did. To be honest, to do voiceovers is actually really hard. I don't even know what to say no more, but I'm really loving the clouds here. It makes me feel like I'm in a dream-like world. To fix my sentence. This painting or this drawing took me about 8 hours, I feel, yeah. And this took 3 weeks, 3 drawings. You all know I struggle with hair during 4C hair, but I love the way this one came out. It didn't take me a long time, which I thought it would, but it actually came out nice. I changed my hair 3 times in this video. Don't judge. I'm having a weird week with my hair. Something I would also like to change about this is, what's it called? Like, I would like to go in deep with the values, go darker with the values, so I understand what's going on. That's exactly what my professor said, that I need to go in deeper or go in darker, especially with the tears. That did not really come out the way I wanted it to, but I really was tired of it. That's why I did not do much about it. So this right here is actually for my painting class. We're supposed to do like a collage thing for a portrait. I did a portrait of my beloved boyfriend. Shout out to my homie. Although this does not exactly look like him, I actually struggle with this. Going like sideways with the objectives of this assignment. So I had to call up my mentor, call up my professor, and they both told me very different things. So I actually followed what my mentor said. Shout out to you, Mark. This was a very interesting assignment. I've never done anything like this before. Putting in shapes, putting in values with paper and painting over. Honestly, I think the most difficult thing to doings was actually the details of it. We're actually supposed to focus on the details of it at first, and then going in with the details. Does that make any sense? I don't think it makes any sense, but hello. Enjoy. I'm just gonna say that at the end of it, I think it came out weird, but people did not hate it in critiques. that's the funny thing about critiques. You do a work and you hate it so much, and then there's always that one person going, "Holy shit, this is amazing," and you're just like, "Where? How? What?" And that's something I really like about doing my art and putting it out there. Like, you do absolute trash, either people absolutely agree with you or go in the opposite direction, and that's so cool. This painting took me over 10 hours, I think, with the paper cutting and the painting and the food and the frustration. Took longer than I expected, but I started it a little later than I was supposed to, because I thought it'd be easy, but it wasn't easy. So this is the final. This right here is a heavenly drawing, a painting or a drawing that I would love to see myself in the future. It is pole dancing in the clouds with a gold pole. Amazing. At first, easy stuff. This is just rendering values. I really enjoyed the blue color of the sky. Wasn't so difficult to portray, but I think that the clouds were harder than I thought, because I thought it would look just like the other painting or drawing, where I used purple and orange to render clouds. But I had to go in darker with this, with gray, with yellow, with white. At the same time, I got feedback from one of my friends, and she said that I should go darker with this, but I was like, that's not the theme. The theme is supposed to be just having clouds just chilling out there. But these two drawings, the two drawings with the clouds sort of look like collages to me. Honestly, at first I was like, this is gonna be a shitty drawing. Everyone's gonna hate this. But I was like, God, listen, I really like this composition. I want to work with it. So I'm just doing whatever at this point. So as I was going in, painting with the gray and lighter gray, darker gray, I was seeing some potential. I was like, hey, this might actually work out. Something that I would definitely critique, give myself some good feedback, critical feedback would be the word, what is that? Anatomy of it. Her hands are not very portrayed well, rendered well, not drawn well, and that's something my boyfriend actually pointed out. He's like, why is her hand looking not look so great? I was like, hey, you're right. He's not a very artistic person, but seeing that he could point that out is like, oh, okay, I actually need to go back and work it out. So that's what I did. So this actually is my favorite one out of all 4 paintings I'm putting out in this video. So yeah, Mama's in the clouds, enjoying stuff. And I hope you enjoy this as I did. A little frustrating at first, but I think I got it. Look at that gold. Mama stripping on some gold pole. This right here took me all night. Legit. I forgot I was supposed to do 3 drawings, and I was like dumbfounded the night before, so I had to stay up all night doing this. I did not come out the way I wanted it to. Darker values, weird composition. But I can critique myself on this because it's my work. I don't really like this piece. Love the concept, hate the piece. So this is the final. As you can see, the clouds are rendered well. Composition's a little this one. Ooh. Get me in my bag. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Love you. Bye. Mwah.